Coastal erosion is a major problem that affects many communities around the world. But what if there was a solution that could not only prevent erosion, but also create wider, softer, and more stable beaches? That solution is EnviroShore Systems, ESS for short. ESS is a unique system that works by catching and redirecting sediment. It works especially well during storms. The more energy in the nearshore system, the faster the ESS system works, because there's more bed load transport. This means that during a storm, instead of causing severe and irreversible erosion, the ESS system quickly fills up with sediment and stratifies it in a natural process. The key to the ESS system is that it is considered a soft structure solution. Unlike traditional hard structures like groins, the ESS system is made of cement tubes that dissipate and redirect wave energy without blocking the flow. This means that ESS allows sand in suspension to freely move up and over and around the shoreline without creating a deficit on one side. This is in line with the soft structure convention of 2000, which prohibits new hard structure construction in most areas in the United States without special approvals and exceptions. The ESS system is therefore a viable solution for communities looking to protect their beaches without breaking any rules. So the next time you're at the beach and see an ESS system in place, remember that it's a smart, disappearing, natural solution that benefits a large area upstream and downstream, creating more stable, wider, softer sand beaches that actually benefit from storm activity.